Hello everybody, today I want to show you how you can build your own GPTs that can support you in your everyday software testing task. You can go here in ChatGPTs and you have Explore GPTs and make sure you have a paid plan, okay, in order to do that. And here above right, I have my GPTs. These are the different GPTs I've already created. For example, test case builder GPT. And let us go back to Explore GPT. And then I will have here create GPT, and then you have two frames. On the left you can add information in the configure. You can give the name of your GPT, you can add a short description, and you can add the instruction, what we call the prompt, that will request a large language model. So I have an introduction course on prompt engineering for software tester. I will put that in the link in the description. And you have conversation starters. And for your GPTs, you have the possibility to give him knowledge, where you can upload, today's are up to 10 files. When you give more guidelines or support information, to your GPT, some data or file that you can ask your GPT to use. And you also have capabilities. The capabilities are specific powers that we give your GPT. For example, the ability to search the web, the ability to create a canvas, when you do editing, for example, and also the ability to generate images with DALL-E, or also you can check code interpreted and data analysis, but just use the capabilities that are needed for your prompt. In my case, I will need none of these capabilities. I uncheck them. Here you can also create actions, to have some agent that we connect to some external apps to do something for you. So here you have this is the configure part where you can give more details. On the left side, you can then test your GPTs until you are satisfied and you decide to publish it with create. So when you create your GPT, here you can configure every detail. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you. For example, if you say, I want to build, a GPT to generate test cases, for example, using a certain testing techniques. In my case, I prepare a prompt already. So I will go to the configure here, or I will show you what I can do here. I will put that here. Okay, and I will say here in my prompt, this GPT specializes in generating test cases for software testing using the boundary value analysis techniques. I will add with, because you have the boundary value analysis technique with 2 values or with 3 values. I will say with 3 values, okay, here. And I will say send. And then GPT will be updating, okay, my GPT, and also add the prompt and every information, and you will be able to see them here. It will maybe add a short description for you. These are all proposals that you can edit, in the configure section. And would you like to confirm or suggest? I will keep that to a boundary value analysis test generator. That's fine for me for this time. Would you like to confirm or suggest? Fine. I will say also create a profile image with a robot test generator on it. Okay, and then I will also ask him to create for us then a profile image for our GPT. I gave a short description that it will generate that with DALL-E, which is the image generation, the generator of OpenAI. And then here we go. I say, yeah, fine, use it. It will be updating again, and then it's done. Okay, and now we will go here on the right. Here in configure, you will see now we have a name. I will give a name. I will just give a name here. boundary value test, we say X generator. Yeah, fine. Okay, we have generate boundary value test cases with precision and clarity for software testing is fine. We have the instruction here. We have conversation starters that can help your users, to use your GPT. And here I say we add no knowledge files and no other capabilities. Now on the right, we can give a try. Okay, let us consider here we have a bank app. Okay, a banking app with different categories, of customers depending on their balance. So I will go here and put my request here, and we say we have a banking app. Here are the different categories of customers and with different balance. Starters less than 1,000 euros, savers above 1,000 but less than 10,000, and then a premium about 10,000. Okay, categories, and then let us see. We will also add something here. Why not? Give me the result. The output in a table. And let's go what our GPT will do here. So now we will have the result here. Here is a table, and we have the result here. You see the premium, we have the test case value, and the category, and savers, and here we have our different test cases depending on the value. We should have this category, and then we can do more things. Then I will say I'm fine, it's fine for me. Create the GPT. I can publish the GPT for myself, only me, or for anyone with the link. So it will be available for a certain time. I will say with anyone with the link. I will also put the link in the comment here. I will say okay, anyone with the link, and then save. Okay. And then it will create my GPT. I will be able to find my GPT in my GPTs. I can also use the GPT. Here I have the link. I will keep that for you and give you that later. And I can say, okay, view GPT. Okay, and then I have my GPT here. That is, you can see that here, and I can use that here. I can also go to the normal GPT, in a new chat, and here I can say hello. And if I want to use that directly here in the normal ChatGPT chat, I can do add, you see, boundary value test X generator, and then here I can also give my request here, and it will work, as I am in the GPT conversation itself. So that's it. I hope it was useful for you. So I will say you can go and create different GPTs, for the different tasks that your team needs, and then share that with your colleagues, and so that you are more effective and efficient for different tasks. It can be for test case generation, like we have seen here. It can be for example, for bug analysis, to classify your bug as critical or not. It can be for many tasks, creating documents and analysis. So that's it. I'll say let's see for something else in another video. Bye bye. Thank you.